Flow passing through an ISEKI vacuum interface valve connected to a 75 mm inside diameter clear pipe. Suction pipe and sensor pipe in a chamber with a clear demonstration valve. Shredded paper being sucked up a lift pipe, clearly showing air being drawn in. Manual operation of vacuum interface valve with items passing through the valve. Rubbish being sucked up a lift pipe. Liquid being sucked up from a sump, leaving the large objects in the chamber, thus demonstrating the first screening of the sewage prior to reaching the sewage treatment works. Long length of paper being sucked into a vacuum interface valve. Disposable nappy being sucked into the system. Several carrier bags being sucked up the lift pipe. Close-up of a valve opening, a yellow object passing through, and then the valve closing. Net curtain being placed in the sump and then passing through the valve. Black refuse bag in a chamber and then passing through the pipe and valve. Polystyrene tray over the bottom of the lift pipe being broken up by vacuum pressure. Metal swarf being sucked into the system. Plastic swarf being taken into the system in two parts. Too much for one lift, but taken on the second. Close-up of a refuse sack being sucked into the bottom of the lift pipe. Sand being placed in the sump and sucked up the lift pipe. Sand passing through the valve. Thick white paste being sucked into the system. Soil, tree roots and associated rubbish in the base of the sump. Oil and water added and sucked into the system. Liquid at rest at the base of the invert lift. The valve opens, rapidly moving the liquid from the sump and up the lift. system recovers after a total loss of vacuum. As the vacuum builds up at the sump, the collected flows can be seen to rise up the lift pipe, through the valve and up the first lift. Note the increase in the velocity of the flow as vacuum increases with time. Movement of a plug of liquid from rest at the base of the invert lift. Typical vacuum station. Collection sump from a restaurant and bar, showing the extent of fat that an ISEKI vacuum system can tolerate. Screenings from the Dubai sewerage treatment plant. Collection of items which passed through the ISEKI vacuum interface valve during the filming of this video.